Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson, I'll be covering one of the most requested songs so far, and it will be a delight for all Prateek Kuhad fans. So today we'll learn the very popular song TUM JAB PASS, and I'm sure you will love it when you play it on your ukuleles. So if you're excited, take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song we need 4 chords, and these 4 chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. Now to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. Now in this song we are using a common strumming pattern, that is down up, 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 down up. Now let me quickly explain you how this pattern would sound when you'll play it in the song. So right now we are holding chord C, and this pattern will sound like this. Okay, so in this pattern, when we are playing it in the song, we have to make a little adjustment. What we are doing, we are playing downstroke and upstroke, and then the 3rd downstroke will be played with more force like this, and then you play an upstroke. So down, up, 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 down, up. So this song has 3 major parts. The first part is verse, and in verse part we will be playing this pattern 1 time per chord. So what you have to do, you hold a particular chord, you play this pattern once, down, up, and then you switch to the next chord like A minor. So you play this pattern again, then you switch to the next chord, and then you go to the 4th chord. So the next part is pre-chorus, and in this part we will be playing this pattern 1 time per chord. So it would be like, now the 3rd part is chorus, and in this part we are doing a little bit of modification. So what you have to do, you will be starting in the same way. So you'll play this pattern 1 time on chord C. When you go to chord F, you will again play it 1 time on chord F. Now when you come back to chord C, okay, you have to play this pattern 2 times there. Okay, so this will end the first line. Now similarly you will do to the 2nd line. Now in 3rd line of chorus we'll be using 3 chords. So okay, so basically in 3rd line we'll be using this pattern 1 time per chord. Now in 4th line we will be again using this in the same way like line 1 and line 2. So to play this song, I will be using a capo and placing it on 3rd fret. Now in case you sing on a higher scale than me, then you can move this capo up or down on the fretboard, and you can use the same chords what we are using in the song. So now let's start playing the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. कितने वादे कितनी यादें बाकी हैं, कितने दिन और कितनी यादें बाकी हैं, इन गहराइयों से बदल भी जाऊं तो मैं बेफिक्र हूँ मदहोश हो भी जाऊँ तो तुम जब पास आती हो, पलकों से मुस्कुराती हो, हवाएं भी गुनगुनाती हैं तुम जब पास आती हो। उलझी नजरें कैसे अनजान शहरों में, सारी कस्में जैसे यादों की लहरों में, इन परछाइयों से बदल भी जाऊँ तो मैं बेफिक्र हूँ मदहोश हो भी जाऊँ तो तुम जब पास आती हो, पलकों से मुस्कुराती हो, हवाएं भी गुनगुनाती हैं तुम जब पास आती हो। खो जाने की जिद ना करो, ख्वाहिश है ये दिल की सुनो, ख्वाबों को दिल में रखो, मैं भी तो लौट आऊंगा, हवा सा गुनगुनाऊंगा। कितने वादे कितनी यादें बाकी हैं, कितने दिन और कितनी यादें बाकी हैं, इन परछाइयों से बदल भी जाऊँ तो मैं बेफिक्र हूँ मदहोश हो भी जाऊँ तो तुम जब पास आती हो, पलकों से मुस्कुराती हो, हवाएं भी गुनगुनाती हैं तुम जब पास आती हो। So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have liked it. Please share this lesson with your friends, your colleagues, your family members who all need ukulele training, who wants to learn ukulele, and keep on supporting me guys. With your support, I will be bringing more lessons in future. So make sure you support me. So until next time, do take care and bye-bye.